right, let's lighten it up with some of the videos we're watching, some of the most watched videos every day at this time. We bring them to you. We got a hysterical video for you. It's called, and there it is, The Ref in the City. That's comedian Yoni Lotan. He slaps on the referee outfit, and he goes around New York City passing out yellow and red cards for social faux pas. Here you go.
Are you trying to sneak an Instagram? I'm gonna have to give you a yellow card. No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No selfie. You know that. You know the rules. You know you can't take a selfie here.
Please.
Yeah, come on, you can't give me that. Come on.
Yellow
Come
card.
on. You can't give me that.
Do you know where you're going?
I don't.
You don't know where you're going?
We're just walking.
You don't understand what you
I
did?
didn't understand what I did.
You can't waste people's time by walking around not knowing what you did. You understand?
Right.
You're wearing sandals in New York City. It's a yellow card. Do you know how dirty these streets are?
They're dirty.
Broken glass, urine. Go to Skechers, buy some nice kicks. Go to the M&M store, buy some M&M kicks. I don't care. No, no, no.
I'm the real one.
You're not the real Mario. You know that. You know that. You can't do that. You can't lie to people. Yes, Mamma Mia. I want you to say what you did.
What did I do?
I want you to say what you did wrong.
What I did wrong?
Why I gave you a yellow
I
card.
am too fabulous for you.
That's exactly it.
I told you it's good stuff. Yoni joins us now. Yoni Lotan, he's a comedian. All right, where'd you get the idea for that? You have World Cup fever or something?
I have a serious case of World Cup fever. No, there's like an unspoken code of law in New York. There's like a certain bunch of rules that people follow, like stick to the right of the street when you're walking on the sidewalk. There's a bunch of rules that New Yorkers go by. When people go against it, it just drives them wild. So I was like, I got to bring that to life.
You did. That's good stuff. A couple of the other ones here. I love the way you handled Mario. You're not the real Mario. Knock it off. That was good. And nobody
actually,
drinks Jamba Juice in the city either, right?
Yeah, nobody drinks Jamba Juice. And what's so funny about that is there's nothing wrong with that, but the guy felt so defensive, and he was like, my girlfriend bought it for me. So,
He didn't want the yellow card. Oh, that's
no,
good. Did anybody get mad at you? Get out of my
yes.
face? Yes.
Apparently, people do not like it when you blow a whistle in their face.
Ooh.
Turns out, yeah.
You got a story for us about somebody really getting teed
There
off?
was this one lady that I gave her a red card, and at the time I didn't know exactly what I was going to give her a red card. I was going to try to figure it out, and all she wanted to know was why. She was like, "Why? Just tell me why." And I was like, "Ma'am, you know what you did. You know what you did." And at the time, she was holding a child's hand, and the kid started to cry.
Oh,
she goes,
wow.
"Oh, great! Look what you did now." And I was like, "Ma'am, you know exactly what you did," and I ran away.
So you didn't even break character and try and console the child.
No,
you were out of there.
No, it was gold.
It
was gold.
Well, the whole video's gold. What's your next project? What can we look for?
Well, look out for another Ref in the City video for sure to come out real soon. And my YouTube channel, Yoni Time Show, there's going to be videos coming once every week, once every 2 weeks. Check it out. I also perform live at the UCB Theater at a show called License to Chill. You should check that out.
There
the
you
show
go.
is tonight, if you're in the New York area, at 8 o'clock p.m. and July 30th.
Well, way to get that in. And great video, by the way. Hysterical.
Thank you
again.
so much,
Ref in the
Mike.
City, Yoni Lotan. Thanks again, my friend. Good stuff. Okay.
Thank you, buddy.
Yep.
And hello, America.
There you go. He got it all in, didn't he?